In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build loops with repeater module in make.com. A repeater creates a simple loop in your scenario, letting you run the same set of modules multiple times in a row. It's perfect for tasks like generating test records, retrying an action a set number of times, or iterating through a sequence when you don't have a list to map. I'll walk you through setting it up, explain what each field means, and share a few quick tips so your test run is smooth. Start by opening the scenario where you want to add a loop. Make sure the canvas is visible and that you know where in the flow the loop should begin. You'll place the repeater before the modules you want to run repeatedly. On the canvas, right-click the dotted connection line where you want the loop to start and choose Add a Module. From the categories, select Flow Control, then pick the repeater. This module is the engine of your loop and will output a counter value for each pass through the flow. Now configure the repeater. In the initial value field, enter the number you want the counter to start from. Most of the time you'll start at 1, but you can begin at 0 or any other integer if that fits your logic. The repeater will make this value available to downstream modules as it increments with each repeat, which is helpful for labeling, indexing, or branching conditions later in your scenario. Next, add the repeat value. This is how many times you want the flow after the repeater to run. For example, entering 5 means the connected modules will execute 5 times in sequence. For your first test, it's wise to choose a small number so you can verify behavior quickly and avoid using unnecessary operations. When you're satisfied with the number, click Save to store the configuration. With the module set up, click Run to test the workflow. You'll see the repeater initiate each iteration and pass the counter value forward. Watch as the scenario steps through each repeat, confirming that downstream modules behave as expected on every pass. If the results don't match what you need, stop the run, adjust the initial value or repeat value, and run the scenario again until you're confident everything is working correctly. That's it. You've added a repeater, defined the starting point, set how many times the loop runs, saved your configuration, and tested the workflow. This simple pattern gives you reliable, predictable loops anywhere in your make.com scenarios.